get the new surface Pitchmark tool from BMS, you need one of these neat little bits of kit, because every day there's hundreds of pitch marks on the green. All these dimples, and players are complaining that the greens are bumpy. They're not bumpy, they just don't repair the pitch marks. So with this little tool, you can go around and level all the pitch marks. You definitely need one of these. Great little tool, 5 blades bring the pitch mark back up to the surface. The surface from BMS. There's your one.